Here is a wonderful 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This masterfully engineered Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is ready to become your partner in business or recreation. Versatile and spacious with available options such as active safety features, four-wheel drive, and diesel, this full-size van offers a premium quality platform for a host of possible applications. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, heated front seat, keyless start, remote engine start, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, rain sensing wipers. Feel confident and secure in this capable, well-engineered Sprinter. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.